Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 model Kia Stonic Style, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 7,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained. Blacked-out wheels, rear diffuser, halogen fog lights, steering wheel controls, fog lamps, original spare key, climate control, car manuals and service booklet, Kia style body kits, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 738,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 87,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2023) model Subaru WRX TS, top of the line. 2-liter turbo gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 186 kilometers mileage, first owned, all-wheel drive. Unit is like brand new. Steel with factory plastic on seats, touchscreen infotainment, lane assist system, electronic brakes, panoramic sunroof, complete with owner's manual and booklets, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 2,098,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 448,000 plus pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018) model Toyota Fortuner V, 2.4-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 160,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, power tailgate and seats, touchscreen monitor, central locking system, all power, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 998,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 272,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2016 model Kia Sportage LX, 2.0-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 68,000 kilometers mileage, touchscreen radio, central locking system, all power, all stock, all original, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 598,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 131,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2013) model Hyundai Elantra, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 36,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, central locking system, reverse sensor, airbag, all power, all stock, all original, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 368,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 50,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2020 model Toyota Corolla Altis G, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 40,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, touchscreen radio, central locking system, day running light, reverse sensor, SRS airbag, all power, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 798,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 112,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.